PJ9547. Her name is Eden S. Rutab, 26 years of age, married, a college level. She worked here in the Philippines as a locally maid for 3 years. This is PJ9547. Will you please introduce yourself?
I'm Eden Rotab. I live in Naglawaan, Santo Domingo, Ilocos Sur. I'm 26 years old. My parents' name is Melchor Chares and Edna Chares. I am married and I have one son.
What motivates you to work in Hong Kong?
To earn money and to support my family.
Can you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any overseas experience?
No, nothing, sir.
Are you willing to work into a Chinese culture?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any allergy?
No, sir.
What then your duties and responsibilities during that year you work as a locally maid here in the Philippines?
Cooking, cleaning, washing, and sending the children to school, sir.
You mentioned that you know how to cook, right?
Yes, sir.
What kind of recipe?
Paksiw, sinigang, pakbet, sir.
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn, sir.
How about in taking care of the children? Do you know how to take care of the children?
Yes, sir.
What then your duties and responsibilities in taking care of the children?
I'll take her a bath, give her medicine when she is sick, changing her diaper when it is wet.
Suppose the baby wants you to sing a nursery rhyme. Can you sing a nursery rhyme with them?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Very good. Any message to your future employer?
Ma'am, hope you choose me as your DH because I am hardworking, responsible, and honest. And I promise to take care of your family as well as your relatives.